quick video to show you that I have removed, which I haven't even cleaned this off, but I've removed the frosting from this glass. And here's one that I started, and this is what I'm using. And I just want to show how easy this is to remove this. The reason I'm doing this video is I had gone online to see how to remove this spray-on frosting from glass, and a lot of the stuff that I was reading had all these really complicated ways on removing this stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff is harder to remove than I thought it was going to be. But anyway, I decided to try this razor blade, and it's coming right off. So that's why I'm posting this. Now, I am removing this from glass. If you was removing it from plexiglass, you would want to be careful to not scratch it.